Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer QuickBooks to another computer. First, locate your QuickBooks company file, usually ending in QBW. Create a backup of this file to an external drive or cloud storage. Next, find your QuickBooks product and license numbers, as you'll need these for installation on the new machine. Finally, confirm that your new computer meets the minimum system requirements for your QuickBooks version to ensure smooth operation. Now, install QuickBooks on your new computer using the product and license information you gathered earlier. Once installed, copy your backed up company file from your external drive or cloud storage to a local folder on the new machine, typically in the QuickBooks company files directory. Then, open QuickBooks, navigate to the File menu, and select Open or Restore Company. Choose Restore a Backup Copy and follow the prompts to load your data. After restoring your company file, it's crucial to verify its data integrity. In QuickBooks, go to File, then Utilities, and select Verify Data. This helps identify and fix any potential issues. Next, ensure your QuickBooks software is fully updated to the latest release to benefit from new features and security patches. Finally, check that all your integrated services, like online banking or third-party apps, are correctly connected and working as expected. As a final step, if you no longer plan to use QuickBooks on your old computer, remember to deactivate or uninstall it to free up your license. Thoroughly test all QuickBooks functions on the new machine, including running reports, processing transactions, and printing invoices, to ensure everything works perfectly. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. This comprehensive approach ensures a seamless transition for your financial data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.